Hey guys, today we have something special on the desk. This is the latest refresh of the Asus Vivobook S series, specifically the M347K model. So let's look at the specs. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 350 processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 512 GB Gen 4 SSD, and a 4-cell 70 Wh battery. Asus have moved to entirely plastic-free packaging, which is nice to see. The laptop lifts up automatically when you open the box. Let's put the device to the side for a second underneath, and we have here the warranty card, the user manual, and the power brick. This is a 65-watt USB-C charger. It's very compact. You can actually use this to charge your phone as well, which makes traveling much easier. Let's peel off the protective sleeve. The color is matte gray. It has a very smooth and sandblasted finish, so no fingerprints so far. Opening the lid, nice resistance on the hinge. We remove the keyboard protector. I'm going to press the power button. The keyboard lights up immediately while it boots. Notice the thin bezels on that OLED panel. It looks incredibly sharp. So that's a quick look at what you get in the box. So I'm going to set this up, install some benchmarks, and I will be back with the full review in a few days. So let me know in the comments that what you want me to test. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.